In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create portfolio websites in Wix. If you're a designer, developer, photographer, or just getting started, this walkthrough will take you from a blank account to a polished portfolio that you can share today. First, open your browser and head to wix.com. Log into your account and, from your My Sites dashboard, choose Create New Site. This sets up the workspace where your portfolio will live. If you're brand new, the sign-up is quick, but make sure you keep your login secure and use a strong password. Next, pick a starting point that matches your style. Under the template categories, select Portfolio and CV. Scroll through the designs, click Preview to see how each one behaves, and think about the story you want your work to tell. Clean and minimal, bold and colorful, or image first. Choose the template that feels right. You can change everything later, so don't overthink it. By the way, I've placed a direct link to the Wix website at the very top of the description, so you can jump in and follow along as we go. Open your choice by clicking Edit Site to launch the Wix editor. Take a moment to look around. The left panel lets you add elements, switch pages, and manage your site's theme. The top bar is where you'll undo, redo, and preview. Wix auto-saves, but it's still smart to save frequently as you customize. Now bring your portfolio to life. Replace placeholder text and images with your own projects, high-quality visuals, and clear descriptions. Organize the site into simple sections: projects to showcase your best work, about me to share your background and skills, and contact so people can reach you. Keep titles short and punchy, and use consistent image sizes so your grid feels intentional. Then refine the look. In the editor, adjust colors and fonts to match your personal brand. Use theme styles for quick, site-wide changes, and check color contrast for readability. Explore galleries and sliders for visual variety, and add subtle animations to draw attention without distracting from your work. Aim for generous spacing and a clear visual hierarchy so visitors know where to look first. When everything feels right, preview your site on desktop and mobile. Use the mobile view to tweak spacing or hide elements that don't translate well on small screens. Finally, click Publish to push your portfolio live and get a shareable link you can add to your resume and social profiles. That's it! If this guide helped you, hit like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and thanks for watching.